it's hot out here. I think this is the best place to train Muay Thai. 100%. It's harder to kick in Muay Thai than it is in football. Hey, don't post that.
Too late, sorry. Where's the feeling? Where's the feeling?
Now 6 rounds, right? I might be overeating, but I look good. That's what matters. Yeah, you can. I said, I can't breathe. They said, your oxygen's fine. I said, I can't breathe. Then I went unconscious. My mum was there. I have asthma. So with my inhaler, when I was on the football pitch, I would go like this. And they would give it to me when I needed it. So I was like this because I couldn't talk to my mum. I can't breathe. She was like, something's wrong. But no one listened. Then I passed out. And then they had to clear the fluid from the lungs. So they take it out. But I was losing like oxygen and everything. And they were going to put me onto life support, so they introduced me into a coma. I have a scar here on my neck, that wire went to my heart. I have them all up my legs, they went to all of my organs. Just if they turned on the machine, I had a 20% chance of waking up. 20%. But I woke up before they turned it on.
I never give up, man.
Yeah, never, bro. Never.
Amazing this story.
The craziest one, my first injury, they said if it was They said if it was 1 millimeter difference, I would have died. They said anyone else on the pitch would have died. I said, huh? I said, what if I was playing with Ronaldo? They said, you would have died. I said, then why am I alive? They said, we don't know. Wow. But I trained every day for 9 years before this. Never drunk, never smoked, always slept. And they said that if I'd done any of those things, I would have died. Wow. So very, very grateful.
Wow, I mean,
happy to be here.
What a story. Now you can kick.
And now it's time for challenging my world. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna test the football system. Let's go, come on. Challenge. 3 goals. 1 nutmeg. That's a knockout. Okay. no problem. But now,
very good มากเลย
now we're friends.
Oh yes
On the same team next time.
yeah because we are Liverpool
Exactly. You'll never walk alone.
yes
Especially here in Bangkok. Let's go.
maybe
I've never done an ice bath in my life.
No, never.
In England, I just go outside.
Who go first? No. Babe.
He got Nutmeg 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's all I'm
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now. Okay.
Okay, go.
Oi. Okay. Oi. Oh my.
Same London.
Yo.
how you feel
It's like being in England. Again.
Again.
I came here for a holiday.